build some IKEA furniture. My room where I have all my makeup is so messy. Actually, just let me show you how messy it is because I need organization in here. It's very chaotic and I need to sort it out. So I got the Alex drawers from IKEA because I had them before. Build it before Lewis gets home. I'm pretty sure I built the last one I had, but I put some of the drawers in backwards or something. So let's build them. I also have my new little jumpsuit on that I got from Shein a couple of weeks ago so I could look cute while renovating. So let's do it in my new jumpsuit. The instructions, see if I need a screwdriver. So I need 2 types of screwdrivers, the flathead and the Phillips screwdriver, a pencil, a ruler. A pencil and a ruler? Why do I need a pencil and a ruler? Is that not done for me? And then a hammer. So I'm gonna go get all those things and then come back and start building it. I've managed to get nearly everything. I don't have a ruler, but I do have a leveler that's flat. And then a measuring tape, a pen, and then I have my screwdriver, which I can change the heads in, and a hammer. So let's do this. I'm gonna put in my headphones and watch Yellowstone. I have to go down the stairs. I need a break after that. That was hard going. And now I have to build 9 drawers. I can do it. Feel my power, independence. It's for my room. I can do it all for me. Guys, I had about 10 of these left over. I was a bit confused, but I realized I forgot to put them in some of the drawers. And also one of the drawers I put in this bit backwards. I was just on the phone to Lewis. He said he'd rip it out and like put it back, but I said it's fine. But what's the funniest part about it is when I had the IKEA drawers last time and I built them, I was so proud that I like built them myself. I know it's just IKEA furniture, but Lewis does so much for me. I'm always like happy when I get to do it myself. And then when I realized I put it in backwards, I was like, for fuck's sake. But then this time I said, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it backwards. And of course I did one backwards. So we're on to the last leg of it. I feel like this has taken me forever to do. So basically the next bit is taking these out, putting the drawer on them. So I'm just putting in the corner because I think this week we have a sofa bed to collect from Lewis's sister's house. It's been there because we've had her double bed from when my mom came over. So that's going to go in my beauty room as like a little chair, but can fold out too. It's like slightly bigger than a double bed, like 2 people could sleep in it for a night or 2 and be all right. So yeah, I just need to get the drawers on this now, and then little screws have to go in. And then a little screw has to go in the inside of each of the drawers. So I'm going to do a little time lapse doing the rest, so I'm not taking it forever. And it's all done. Now let's put all this mess into here.